Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to use the free DriverView program to display a list of all device drivers installed on your Windows. DriverView is a free software. You can freely use it at home or in your company. This software works on computers with Windows. It is one of the best applications you can use on your computer. DriverView is a small utility that displays a list of all the device drivers currently installed in your computer system. It is very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Search for Nearsoft DriverView on Google. Go to the nearsoft.net website from the results and download the free DriverView program from the site. You can find the links related to the links mentioned in this video below the YouTube video link. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I use a Windows 64-bit computer, so I will click on the Windows 64-bit version. If you are using a different operating system, it is important to download the version that suits you. DriverView also supports other languages. After downloading the program, extract it from the zip file and double-click to open it. That's it! You can easily view the list of all device drivers installed on your Windows on the screen that appears. I leave the link where you can download the program for free in the description of our video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.